Welcome back to Ride and Glide Reviews. We're working our way through the Vacette range, and today we're looking at the 9 Plus. We've got the 8, the 9 Plus and the 10 Plus, so this is the mid-range scooter. We're going to take it out for a test ride and then look at the features more closely. Now let's take a look at the spec. We'll start down low with the tyres. They're an 8.5 by 3 inch pneumatic tyre front and back. 3 inches is very wide for a tyre, so it gives good stability and great grip on the road. Housed in the tyres are the 2 motors. We've got 2 650 watt brushless motors here, so obviously making 1300 watts overall. Nominal power. Max output 2200, so it's pretty powerful. That's a really nippy scooter. The 9 Plus has got 2 lights here at the front and this one right in the middle, and then we've got 2 rear red lights at the back. When the brakes are applied, those red lights intensify so you can be seen at night when you're braking. The other feature that Vacette have added on all of their new range is the indicators. As you can see here, you click a button on the handlebars and the indicators turn on for sort of 5 seconds to allow you to turn, making it much safer when you're out riding. Now the Vacette 9 comes standard with 2 mechanical disc brakes. Personally, I normally like hydraulic brakes, but after riding this, they're actually pretty good, the mechanical discs. We were getting speeds up to like 30, 31 miles an hour, and they stopped us really well, no screeching or anything like that. They were really nice brakes. As you can see, we've got the front and rear suspension. It's both coil sprung, so decent suspension, coupled with those big wide tyres, it's going to make it very comfortable, even on bumpy surfaces. Moving back to the deck, at the front you've got the 2 charge points. It's a 10-hour charge time on this, so it's got 2, you can halve that if you use 2 standard chargers, down to 5 hours. The deck is a really nice grippy surface, pretty wide but not too wide, it's not a huge machine so it still keeps pretty compact. And then we go back to the built-in footrest, again a really nice feature that Vacette have used on all of their scooters. The stem itself is modular, almost identical to the 10 Plus, and it has the same unfolding mechanism. So the screw, the big clamp, and then the extra support there, and then it folds down. As well as everything we spoke about, there's also some nice features, some styling on the deck that says Vacette 9 here. Even on these little trims here, it says Vacette. And on the stem here, we've got the silver Vacette 9 Plus logo. It's really nice little touches they've put on. Now, moving up to the handlebars. Like the other Vacettes, these fold. So we unscrew, just like that. And when it's out, pop it down. Brilliant for carrying around and storing. When you want to go back, you literally set it up and then lock it back in place. Very simple and really, really strong design. So useful on any scooter. On the outside, we've got the nice grips. And just here on either side, you can see where the indicators are. So a press of that button and your indicators turn on. We've got the 2 brake levers here. Over here, we've got the iDisplay. Quite like the Mini Motors one, very similar. You switch it on with the power button. It won't turn on until you've used your immobilizer here. Screen engages. And there you've got all the usual things, miles per hour or kilometers, battery life, odometer, which gear you're in, different ride modes, and a host of other things. Right on top, right where the immobilizer card is, I'm not sure if you can see from here, but we've got the voltmeter. Really, really useful because sometimes on these controllers here on the displays, the battery gauge isn't exact. It's very close but not exact. The volts will always tell you exactly how much power you've got left in the scooter. Down on the left-hand side here, just below the grip, you can see the 2 buttons. Like the 10 Plus, we've got the DDM, the dual motor button here. So you can either ride in single mode or dual mode. Single gets you more out of the battery, dual mode gets you more power, but will drain the battery slightly faster. Next to that, we've got the horn. Just for safety, you have this on every vehicle. Thanks for watching the review. We really enjoyed riding today. The 9 Plus especially really surprised me. I thought it might be a bit small, but it was nippy, it was powerful. Even in that compact form, I really liked it. If you like what you saw, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're always putting out content on all different scooters, skateboards, bikes, one wheels. There's always something for everyone to watch, something new that's coming out to the market. If you want to come down to the shop, you can try this out, as well as the 8 and the 10 Plus, and every other product that we do on the website as well. So come down for a demo, have some fun. Give us a call, give us an email, send a live chat, check out the website, www.rideandglide.co.uk. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.